Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add TikTok logo and TikTok username to our video in CapCut application. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and first of all, we can click on this text option and select the text template. And after the text template has been opened, we can find the social media category. Click on the social media category and you have to find the TikTok logo with username. And I'm going to keep scrolling to find it. Wait guys. Okay, this one. Click on the template and you can add your name right here. Just click on your account and you can add your TikTok username. Okay. And I'm just going to place the TikTok logo right here. You can adjust the position and also the size. Okay, and I think it's done. Then I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add TikTok logo and TikTok username to our video in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.